For this week's quick recipe, we'll be making Layla's red lentil soup with RIZWANA'S whole wheat chapati. For the soup, roughly chop white onion, then grind together garlic cloves, turmeric and cumin into a paste. Heat some oil in a large pot and gently fry the onions until browned. Add the spice paste and fry for a further minute before pouring in fresh chicken stock. Add some split red lentils and a chicken stock cube. Season with salt and pepper, then leave to simmer for 45 minutes, stirring occasionally to stop the lentils from sticking. For the flatbreads, mix whole wheat flour, salt and cold water by hand to form a dough. Tip onto a floured surface and knead for a few minutes. Break the dough into pieces and roll them into balls. Flatten each ball out, then use a rolling pin to make the flatbreads the size of a hand. Place your flatbread in the centre of a hot, dry pan, rotating it a few times. Once dark spots appear underneath, flip it over and do the same on the other side. To serve, butter the warm flatbread and fold over. Blend the hot soup, pour into a bowl and season to taste, finishing the dish with fresh coriander and a squeeze of lemon.